Hi guys, welcome to beybs Life in the US.
Significant number.
Well, the custody documents for Maricopa County election board.
Correct.
And they provided any proof?
Yes, they actually provided all of the documents that we requested with the exception of the Maricopa County delivery receipt form.
The Maricopa County delivery receipt form. Could you please tell the court what that is?
So the Maricopa County delivery receipt, as I mentioned in that previous sort of thing, if you can go to the one that actually has it on there. It is the document, the chain of custody document that is created at Maricopa County to record the precise number. That's not this slide. If you go to two more, the precise, that's the one. Perfect. Thank you. Oops, back up. There you go. Perfect. It's in this diagram here. It's the number 2, right? So when the drop box is when the ballots are retrieved from the drop box, the early voting ballot transport statement is used to document the chain of custody from the drop box to Maricopa County. Again, when it gets to Maricopa County, what the law requires is that they break open the seals and they count the number of ballots inside that transport container, and they record that precise count of ballots on the early voting ballot transport statement. From there, again, this is unique to Maricopa County. Maricopa County election officials then create this delivery receipt form, which is like a half sheet, and that has on it the precise count of the ballots that they are then loading on a truck and transferring to Runbeck. The larger thing there, the thing that has number 3 on it, is a document that's created at Runbeck, basically just saying, hey, this is how many ballots were dropped off. So, and to answer your question, what we did not receive is the number 2, the delivery receipts.
I'd like to move away from the PowerPoint again really quickly and open exhibit number 67.
I couldn't hear you because you turned away.
I'm sorry, you're on 67. All right, Miss Honey, you were talking about the early voting ballot transport statement. Is this it?
That's one of them. This one is from ASU West from October 25th.
Okay, by one of them you mean there were many of them.
Yes, so there's one of these forms for each day that a drop box is open. So if there are 50 drop boxes open on a particular day, there are 50 of these forms created because there are 50 retrievals of ballots.
And you reviewed all of these?
We did?
Will you move this one in there?
I don't know that you did.
Move it 67 and then.
No objection, Your Honor.
Thanks.
67 is admitted.
Right. Do you have any problem with any of these statements for the early voting period?
No.
No, you've reviewed them all.
Yeah, I mean, I think they like I said, they did a much better job.
Right. So could you actually go through all of these, add them up, and figure out exactly how many ballots Maricopa County retrieved from drop boxes up until the day of the election?
Exactly, yes.
Okay, and you can do that.
Yes.
Is that what you're supposed to be able to do?
Well, I mean, on a daily basis, yeah. I mean, you have to do it for each and every retrieval, according to the law.
Oh, thank you very much. And so, transport receipt again. That, what is it?
So the delivery receipt is, again, that half sheet that I had on the display there, which is created at Maricopa County, at MedTech, that accompanies the ballots as they travel from Maricopa County to Runbeck. So that when they arrive at Runbeck knows precisely how many ballots are on that shipment.
All right. Do you have all of Maricopa County delivery receipt documents?
We do not have any. We requested them, but they said they had misplaced them.
And those are the ones that were for election day.
Well, actually, we didn't get a single one of those for the entire election. It is the testimony of or in the declaration of the Runbeck employees that no such documents existed for election day.
For election.
Right.
What about prior to the election?
Yeah, so this form was actually created for all of the days prior to election day.
I'm sorry, but my question was specifically related to election day. There were none.
Well, we did not receive any. They said they misplaced them, and the Runbeck employees said none existed.
Okay. All right. Have you been trying to get the records?
We have.
Do you know somebody by the name of Betty that works at the Nursery County Department of Election?
So we as, in response to our public records request for these documents on behalf of Perry Lake, some of the documents they provided to us electronically, and others they said were in binders and we had to go and copy them ourselves.
Okay.
So we had a couple of representatives go down to Maricopa County Elections Office to copy them. And Betty and Christy were sort of overseeing their copying of the records.
Have you met Betty?
I have not met Betty.
Then I gotta correct the misrepresentation of the court, Your Honor. I believe that my witness had. So I apologize and I correct that. Are you familiar with Betty's voicemail?
Well, I called Betty a couple of times to try to get the records, but no, she's not responded to me. No.
Okay, bye everyone, and don't forget to subscribe below and thumbs up to our channel, and check out our beybs closet in HCAB and Macari, and also check out our video decor in HCAB. Bye bye guys, see you to the next video. God bless you all. Bye.